two main obstacles, and when it comes to a bit of elevation, once again, that it will be happening on the loop. This is all around the circuit too, right? This is fantastic. Here we go. Let's hear our drummers. Let's hear everybody. Here are the U23 women coming back on run number 1. Getting a feeling, yes, it's a cheer on these women that are dropped on the climb. They need all your help, ladies and gentlemen. And let's keep the cheers going. The Canadians are off the mat. Every women there deserves to be a cheer here today. Coming through on top one. U23 women. Two main obstacles, and when it comes to a bit of elevation, once again, that it will be happening on the loop at the top of it is at kilometer 7 of the first loop. And China, Romania, and Afghanistan.
Let's welcome the United States, Switzerland, and Sweden, as well as Uganda, Kazakhstan, Argentina, Tunisia, Benin, Namibia, and each individual athletes, Egypt, Ukraine, and South Africa. Let's welcome